My name is Asiesjhot Singh Chandowk. I am currently 20 years old and I stay in Mumbai, Maharashtra. I am currently pursuing two degrees at once. One is this BS in Data Science and Applications from IIT Madras. Second one is BSc Statistics from Ramnarain Ruia College in Matunga, Mumbai. I decided to choose it because I wanted to have focus on more on my mathematics and statistical area. While I knew I could manage out on the programming aspect on my own as well, but I wanted to have a structured curriculum that could guide me through it and that would help me while also reiterating on my statistical and mathematical learnings, which is why I decided to pair it with my BSc statistics degree. Helped me a lot to stay on track. Example, I really liked the way Mitesh Khapra sir teaches. This was my recent course in deep learning. He usually teaches you the concept, and often he nudges you to go explore the concept, some particular part of it in a bit more detail. So you more often than not end up going out there exploring what is there about what is more there about that particular topic, and what you could learn more. And a few of these teachers really make you fall in love with the subject and make you want to explore more, make you want to learn more. So that is, I think so, became the most important driving factor for me to continue learning, continue understanding more things. That led to most of my skills which I have till now. Also, not to mention the various amount of projects, programmatical understanding, because they make you change the whole code on the spot. They make you add new features. They cross question you. They basically you get a proper interview experience like you would in a job. Such vivas. So that I believe helps a lot in aligning yourself with that. Which I struggled with was finding data for the BDM project, and I believe many of us have struggled with that. I had roamed through many shops and explored various streets of Mumbai to find data about them, and often faced rejection. So that made me a bit more confident to approach people, to go out there, let them know what I can offer them, how it can help them. Distinct occurrence as such during my SC course. So during my SC course, our TA was Cyan, I think. Cyan being especially skilled in Linux and system commands as such, he was able to answer questions in minutes and seconds. So I remember one distinct occurrence. I had posted a rather specific doubt about particular program which we had. It was, I think so, about a VM task, which you might do in the SC course. I mentioned what I had written, what output I was getting, what approach I followed, and what could have gone wrong or something like that. Within 5 minutes, I received a message from Science exactly detailing how where I went wrong, what why the output has changed, how this works, and how I might have misinterpreted it. On that day, I was real inspired by him, and I was like, there is something there are more people to get inspired by. You just need to meet them and you need to interact with them more. Like 1 year ago, there was a cloud boot camp through the GDSC IITM, Google Developer Student Club IITM, that was created. So we had a cloud boot camp, and we were we went through various tasks and everything on Google Cloud. So that also helped me in completing a cloud certification with Microsoft. I actually received that mail from IIT Madras itself. It was about a challenge from Microsoft, and
Yeah,
post
yeah.
that challenge, you get free voucher for the associate level examination.